Hey, air signs. So, we are going to be doing a general love reading for you guys. You and them reading. So, we'll start with Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Or whoever has Gemini in their chart. It's a general reading, guys. So, it's not time specific or gender specific. Take it however it resonates with you. Okay. Gemini. The card at the bottom of the deck is the World. Good card. You're taking time to contemplate on certain relationships. Of course, they are love relationships, but I also feel that there were a lot of struggles. Some of you may be involved with an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. I feel that whatever you were dealing with has ended, and someone has left this relationship. It could be either you or the other person. But Gemini, somebody has left this relationship and the other person is healing. I see a presence of a new offer coming your way. But be careful, this person could be a bit sneaky, could be deceptive, could be playing mind games with you. Just be careful about that. Could be another air sign that is coming your way or a fire sign. Could be an Aquarius also, another air sign. Yeah, I see some kind of communication. There was something that ended in the past. You don't want to be in a relationship with that person because the other person has just left. Either they have ghosted you or they have just upped and left without giving you a reason. And or it could be your energies as well. One of you is waiting for communication from the other. I feel there will be some kind of communication, but then you guys will have to just move on from that. I'm not seeing um, a happy ending, you know. I'm seeing that one of you is getting a new offer. Could be you, could be the other person. This offer could be from an earth sign or a water sign individual, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or um, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, even a fire sign, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. Could be an Aquarius. Just be careful when you invest your feelings in somebody new because everybody is different and they could show you one front and the reality could be totally different. So just be careful with that. Now this won't resonate with all of you, Gemini, but some of you maybe. But for most of you, it's a good thing. It's a good relationship, a good offer coming your way. Yeah, even you've got the romance card. Somebody from the previous reading also got it. And I feel, Gemini, that if you're planning to take this forward, make sure you get a lot of information about this person. They shouldn't be sneaky. Um, and probably if you take it forward, you'll be in a better space. You'll feel happy. You'll feel content. You'll also feel stable and fulfilled, Gemini. Because I see a lot of communication coming your way. Could be two people coming your way also. So make a choice, be wise about things, and move on from things that do not serve you anymore because they don't serve you anymore, Gemini. Cool. Let's move on to Libra. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsie. The chariot card at the bottom, Libra. Hey guys. So, you're getting out of this energy where you felt lonely, you felt isolated, or you isolated yourself to be away from the world for some time. But you're getting out of that energy. You've been waiting um, for some kind of communication from somebody from your past, probably a childhood love, um, a person who you thought put you in a third party situation. But that whole thing is changing now. That situation where there was another individual involved, where there was a third party involved, is out of the scene now. This person was first concentrating a lot on their work and not on this relationship. Whoever you were thinking about could be an earth sign individual, could be a Taurus. Um, but now they are wanting to offer you a new start, Libra. It's like a wish fulfillment for you. You wanted this person. Probably there was no third party situation, but one of you thought there was some kind of third party involved. And now that energy is gone, the air is clear, you guys reached a conclusion. Um, Everything got clarified, and now this person or you are coming with an apology, or um, an offer to start afresh. Could be a fire sign individual as well. Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. You have the Five of Cups twice. I think both of you isolated yourself or took a break. One of you was hiding things. You guys felt as if the other person was hiding things from you, but it may or may not be the case, because I don't see that happening, because I feel that it was just an assumption that was made, and basis on that, uh, basis that this decision was taken where somebody upped and walked out. You'll find peace in the near future. You'll feel as if this situation, this uh, probably this person was not good for you, and you weren't good for this person. And because there is somebody totally different who is destined to come to you, and because you've got this, there's something better card. Probably it is about this situation. And if you guys are feeling lonely and morose, then you should look up and see the bounties of life, see things that you can be grateful for, because you guys are just concentrating on things that do not serve you anymore. And Libra, that is not a good approach. Whoever this person is comes back with an apology, Libra, or you go to them with an apology. And I feel you guys will resolve it, and I think there'll be a reconciliation. Cool. Let's move on to Aquarius. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Hey Aquarius, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. Oh, even you've got the Six of Pentacles. Wow. King of Swords and Eight of Cups. Wow. Card at the bottom of the deck, Queen of Wands reversed. You guys are feeling beat. You're not feeling too good about your surroundings right now. You feel as if, uh, okay, so you were involved with somebody who could be an earth sign individual, or an earth sign and air sign individual, could also be a fire or earth, water. Sorry. Aquarius. Wow, you've got this card. So I'm going to keep these two cards together. Somebody is really done with this relationship and they're moving on. Either you or the other person, whoever you were thinking about. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay, too many cards came out. Nobody wants to stay in this relationship because it's not serving anyone anymore. There's an energy of being stuck. There's an energy of being unloved. There's also an energy of not being able to decide. Could be um, 8 is a very important number for you. You've got it 4 times. Some kind of communication is coming in. In the past, there was no. You felt as if there was no happiness left in this relationship, and both of you decided to move on. But then I feel you guys realized that even though you wanted to move on, you couldn't really get yourself to forget about it and just move on with life. And I feel you guys are going to give each other a second chance. You guys are going to be communicating and trying to work things out. This communication will be a pleasant one. If you guys have gone through trying times and sadness, then this communication from this past person is going to help you feel better, feel happier. It'll make them feel happier as well. Yeah, so when this communication happens, be clear. That person, the other person that you're thinking about, or you both need to be very clear about what you want and what you're looking for, Aquarius. This could be a romantic relationship or a relationship with anybody, family also. But I'm getting it's a spouse or a person who you were involved with romantically, deeply, because it is that reading. So I'm going to be, concentrating on those energies more. But I feel you guys are going to be reconciling, Aquarius. So just be clear about what you want and see things happen, see the magic happen, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.